Hey guys, today we are going to make an animation picture using Blender. First you have to open Blender application and download a road object, and a car using Google or create them yourself. Now go to the file menu and click on the append button. Click on your vehicle blend file and append it. Then go to the collection and mark that. Now click append button again. Now you can scale it or move it where you want to get the animation picture. Now go to the world properties in the side row and choice background as the surface. You can customize color of background. Now add a camera and put it which place you want to get the animation picture. Then you can customize the map. If you didn't have a map, you can download it on the Google. The last step is go to the render on the top and click on it. Now click on render image. Now you have to wait till rendering is over. Well, here is our result. You can save this picture like this. We will meet again in another video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.